Our scented weighted sand by Fun and Function has a gentle scent and provides a heavy handwork, perfect for school, home, or even on the road.
Hi, this is Ilana from Fun and Function, and today I have our scented weighted sand, and this is our lemonade scent. What's nice about the weighted sand is it comes in its own container, so you can keep the sand contained. When you first open it up, you'll see that there's a plastic bag that it comes in, and I love to work with it actually in the plastic bag. So I'll sometimes put my container aside, and I'll have the kids work in the bag with the weighted sand. Now, you can still get the nice lemon smell, but what's nice is it works almost like a little mini weighted lap pad. And you can, of course, replace your plastic bag if you want. But I like to even put some objects down in here. We sell those online. You can find some of our putty pieces and put those in here if you want. But it's really nice to just manipulate it. Now, once you're done manipulating in the bag, or you don't want to use it in the bag, of course, you can pour it right into the container. So now my sand is in the container, and of course I can manipulate it. And this sand is so nice. It's soft, but it doesn't stick to your hands. And what's really cool is you can make like heavy balls with it, so you can get some really good heavy hand workout using the sand. And of course, it's got the olfactory touch to it, so it's got a nice gentle lemon smell. So look online today at funandfunction.com and get your lemonade scented weighted sand.